welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this high puff with my natural hair. I've been natural for approximately 8 years and I've worn this style for years. I had to actually stop wearing the style because it's not healthy on your edges. But I wanted to show how I do the high puff. So keep watching the video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is my hair before I do anything to it. I am about to spritz it with some water, and then I'm going to start styling my hair to show you what my high puff looks like. So here I'm just taking my hair tie out of my head, and I'm going to spritz the ends of my hair with some water. I'm not really wetting my roots, but mainly the ends of my hair, just so I can get defined curls. As I spritz my hair, you will notice that my hair never really drops, and that's because, again, I'm not wetting my roots. I'm focusing on wetting the ends of my hair and making sure the ends of my hair are moisturized, because I'm going to be putting my hair up anyway, and when I leave my roots dry, that helps me be able to mold my hair into the up hairdo. So recently I started using this Carefree Curl Instant Moisturizer. I was using another leave-in hair milk to moisturize my hair, but when I'm wearing this updo, I like to use the Instant Moisturizer just because it sprays on and it spreads across my hair very easily. So again, I'm spraying some more moisturizer on my hair just to make sure that I don't miss any spots. It's really important to make sure your hair is moisturized when you're slicking it up, because slicking your hair up does cause breakage, and if your hair is moisturized, you will receive less breakage. Here I'm just going to start brushing the back of my hair, making sure everything is nice and slick to go up into the hairdo. I'm going to take this piece of string and use it to pull all my hair up to the top of my head. Once my hair is pulled to the location that I want it to be and my puff looks how I want it to be, I go ahead and wrap it around my head and secure it with bobby pins. And yes, I do know it's white stuff in the back of my head. I do wipe that after I'm done the style, and also as my hair dries, that will disappear. So here I'm just making sure the product is evenly distributed amongst my hair. Some parts get clumped more than others, and I have to kind of rake through it to make sure it looks even. So after this, you can leave your hair like this, but what I like to do next is actually do my baby hairs. When I do my baby hairs, I use a baby toothbrush, or like a kid's toothbrush, because it's a little softer than using a regular toothbrush. But I just kind of swoop with the toothbrush and use my fingers to help mold the baby hair into the direction that I want it to go. When I do my baby hair, I do not create baby hairs that are not there. I just simply use what's already there at the front of my hairline. I know some people like to actually pull out their baby hair with a comb and then swoop them that way. I do not do that. I use what's already there, and I kind of make them go in the direction that they're already going. So here I'm taking my silk wrap and I'm putting it over my edges so that they can stay in place. Usually when I do this, my edges will last the entire day and they do not lift until bedtime when I want them to lift. It's still a little white in some spots, but that usually goes away after my hair dries. I've probably let it sit for about 10 minutes, so it's still wet. After I lay my edges, I put this scarf, not even a scarf, put this little silk thing on my edges and let them lay. Then I take it off and just kind of go. Also, sometimes I like to take my pick and make it taller, make my hair taller, because sometimes it flattens, and so I like to lift it. Yeah, like right here, it's gonna turn, it's white right now, it's gonna not be white by the time that but by the time that it dries, so I'm not worried about that. Yeah, that's pretty much how I slick up my puff. It's really simple. It doesn't look the same, exactly the same all the time, but it's just pretty much it. Again, thank you for checking out this video. This is my natural hair, and this is how I slick up my puff. If you have any other questions about what products I put in my hair, please leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video.